put out paper there. I want to see it slowly. Lime the slowly.
When was this? Last year. Last year. Who was the earliest one to come here? You remember?
Earlier people, I think she come from China. I also don't know.
How come your father became a locksmith?
My father, last time my grandfather is called it young one. Young. After that, he don't know, learn with the old people. Everyone want to spiral must be some special work to do. If not, you cannot spiral. So you have to learn.
He learned by himself or he learned from?
I don't know. That time I not too born yet.
Then you finish until Form 5?
No, standard only.
Standard 6?
I cannot learn.
You don't like to study lah?
I cannot study, so I don't like. Lesson 1, think man last time.
Do you want your son to become a locksmith?
My son, this one hard to say. Whatever he wants to become, now he do business. He never think about locksmith. My son never think about locksmith. This one is EAI communication.
So now you stay here?
This one my grandfather, this one my father.
This one's your grandfather?
This one your.
What does it say on the side? Here. What's his name?
It's Tan Kosua.
This one's your father.
The one my father.
This one passport photo.
Passport photo.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Tan Ki-lian.
Tan Ki-lian. 2 generations, you're the 3rd generation in Malacca.
From my son, 4 generations.
Wow. Anyone left Malacca?
The one is my brother.
Where? This one's your brother's house. Oh, this one's your brother's. Are you putting? How old is he?
Nearly 80 years.
Wow.
You want to take your handphone?
This is your son. What he does?
That one.
You know about his handphones?
I don't know. EI communication.
Oh.
You do website, sell handphone, and then the handphone line, grade 1, grade XOX.
Are you proud of him?
Huh?
Are you proud of him?
Proud, not to make money.
Not yet make money.
Very hard to do business.
Yeah.
100 plus,
100 plus,
Auntie 借 bicycle 你借 bicycle 来你俾佢 Auntie
So how long she?
70哇
How long you live in Malacca for?
Look here Melaka Cing Beranak di Melaka lu di Melaka lang Lui Laupe pun Melaka lang lah. Lui Laupe ni pun siap.
Từng
xoa.
từng xoa.
Lui grandfather lah.
Đại gia phá lên từng xoa.
Grandfather. Grandfather from China. Hokkien lah. Hokkien Lai lah. Anh Chun à auntie? Anh Chun Lang. Hokkien Lang.
Hokkien. Oh. Where did she grew up here? Malacca.
Oh, đúng rồi.
Wow. Does she like Malacca now?
Chị Chun em Melaka ho bố. Chị Chun em Melaka. Chắc ku em Melaka ho. Melaka ah. Ku ho ka Chị Chun ho. Modern ni. Sekarang memang Melaka bagus kah? Dulu memang bagus.
Yang bagus lah, sekarang dia pikir banyak.
Eh.
Sekarang semua
新
mahal.
换的啦，
Siang.
special.
Special lah.
Tak.
Dia
Sing
lebih
pan
dulu baru 15
Baru
sen.
dia.
Dulu ho mah. Bo ho meh.
Tại
Yang baru semua mahal. Semua yang murah. Rumah pun murah sekarang.
Eh.
1.000.
Yalah.
tại
Kucai ho ah. Lang bo ani pai ah.
Now better.
No, older is better because the people are kinder. Chị Chun này làm bộ anh hồ á.
You work at La Bodega?
Yeah.
How do you know about? Can I ask you a question? How do you know about this place?
Just cross by, so he did make a duplicate.
Oh, you are from Malacca?
Oh no,
Where are you from?
I'm from Sarawak.
Oh, how? So you just came to work in La Bodega here?
Not say like come to Malacca for like say live more than 10 years in KL, so come to Malacca, relax.
Oh. To work here and
So work
yeah.
here, yeah.
Oh.
KL is more I walk.
Bawa orang mana sih?
Kuching.
Kucing. Patok.
Satok.
You like Malacca?
Oh yeah, similar to my hometown.
Yeah, similar to kucing.
Yeah.
Very similar.
Mm.
So it's a bit relaxed, not like KL. If you stay in KL for more than 10 years, you will know.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so you know.
So you ride a bike everywhere in Malacca?
In Malacca, I can just walk. Not that far actually.
Mm.
But certain places you have to ride bicycle.
Yeah. If this key maker is not here, where would you go?
There's one more option at traffic light. Forgot the name of the road. It's under the stairs actually. Other than that, I'm not very sure where to find.
Okay, auntie.
Pelan-pelan.
ai bye bye.
Bye-bye.